Hey guys, Miranda here. So today, I am bringing you guys another video. I haven't really posted a lot. I don't know why. So today, we are gonna be making some more slime. First ingredients is you obviously need a bowl, mixing tool. Whoops. You need some Elmer's glue. I'm using safe non-toxic, and this is optional, but I am using food color. And the activator, of course, is you're gonna need Tide. Okay, so first leave the utensil by the bowl. Pour as much as desired glue as you want, because I'm just adding a little bit. You just want to add some glue into there. Gonna add the whole bowl or the whole bottle of glue. Okay. Okay. Next, I am gonna add some food dye. I am gonna add some. How do I make teal? Do you know how to make teal? Let's see on the package. Teal, 3 blue, 2 green. I'm just gonna use a blue one, a little squirt. Not gonna hurt. Oh, that rhymed. Squirt hurt. Okay, just gonna add that color in. This is not teal. What the heck? This isn't teal. This isn't teal. Well, it's actually pretty cool. But, oh no, it's turning dark. Damn it, no. I wanted teal. I wonder if a little green would help. I'm not sure if it's gonna help anything, but it's gonna little drop. I know. I have a bad feeling about this. This didn't do anything. Oh no, I added too much. Dang it, no. Well, we're going with green. Well, that's really, whoa. That's really cool. I really like this slime. Well, not slime yet, it's just glue. But it's really cool color, I like it. Like it a lot. So the activator is, of course, some Tide. I don't know if it's gonna affect the color, but if it is, I'll just add some more green to it. Boop! That should be enough activator. It's already almost slime. That is really cool. The thing is that I don't like about Tide is that it always affects the color, and whenever you try to change it, it's like it just turns ugly. It turns ugly. Ugh, it's turning my beautiful slime ugly. No. No. Bad Tide. Very, very bad Tide. I hate it when Tide does this because I don't know why it has to be that color. Why can't it be just invisible, like eye contact solution? Huh? It's gonna turn my slime ugly, probably. Still pretty sticky. So it looks really good on the camera, but well, it is really good off camera, but I'm gonna add a little more Tide. Oh guys, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and please let me know in the comments below whether there is some more slime recipes, and I will gladly say yes, and I will do it in some future video. So yeah, this is really, really pretty. I like it. At first I thought it was gonna turn ugly, like into an ugly grass green, but whoa, this is really cool. So yeah, I'm not gonna put any foam beads. I was planning to, but I think it would ruin the color because you wouldn't really be able to see it, because I wanted to make it super crunchy. Oops, sorry if you heard my brother. Okay. Oh my god, he is so annoying. Sorry guys. So yeah, this is gonna be a little short right after, like, this is like, it's already slime, but I need to end the video real quick because it is already my bedtime. But I just wanted to make this slime for you guys to see that it actually really works. I seen this one YouTuber. She didn't really have that much subscribers. She said how to make clear slime using Tide, and I quickly disliked it because I already knew that if you put Tide in clear glue, you already know what's gonna happen. It's gonna turn blue. So, and I commented, it's blue, and I wasn't sure if she was serious about saying it was clear and not blue, because blue and white or clear is totally different color. So I'm not going to take it out because it's going to be dirty. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on all your notifications so you get notified for every slime video, and you can make lots of slimes by me. Bye guys.